Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan, and I teach Ielts here. Well guys, breaking news for 1st August 2019 Ielts candidates, and I am here once again to give you a little pep talk and to motivate you and to prepare you about the exam. Okay, well, let me tell you, there are two types of people around us. The first type is who are nearsighted, and the other type is who are far-sighted. See, some people have got the eyesight problem. Whenever they have the eyesight problem, they wear the glasses. Now, I've got the reading glasses. Sometimes I use the reading glasses whenever I read. If I wear these glasses, this is for reading and the book is very close to me. I'm looking at this book, I can read it clearly. So this is for the near things, the things which are near. And some people, their vision is the near-sighted vision. They only see the things which are very close to them and they don't see beyond that. Now, for example, if I'm wearing these glasses, I can only see up till here. Beyond that, I cannot see. Everything is going to be blur. It means that is my vision. So like the glasses, some people have got the vision which can only show them the things which are just around them. That vision does not allow them to see the things beyond that horizon, which is very, very important. So the guys who are taking Ielts test, you guys who are taking Ielts test, you are the guys who can see what will happen after 5 years, what will happen after 4 years, what will happen after 10 years, even what will happen after 20 years. You got the glasses which can, like not the glasses, I would say, you've got the binocular. You've got the vision of binocular. That's why you are taking Ielts test, because you have seen distant, you have seen a long way from now, and you know you are going to be there after 10 years or 20 years and all that. So congratulations for that. That's important. Otherwise, most of us, we spend our life just looking around, looking at the objects which are all around, and we never see beyond them. And then life unfolds, we see a little more, life unfolds, we see a little more. We never try to see beyond our capacities and beyond our limits and beyond all the timeline and all that. So you guys are lucky that you can see. That's why you are planning to take Ielts. You need a bright future. You want to go on and enjoy your life, not only life, youth, old age and everything. So guys, there is your test tomorrow. Today is 31st July, right? You can see that 31st July, and tomorrow 1st of August, your Ielts test, new month, new beginning, okay? And there should be some excitement. The first excitement is, wow, that is 1st of August and I'm going to take my Ielts test, right? Second excitement, it is an Ielts test. Ielts test is going to open doors and create opportunities for me. And the doors are international doors. These are not the doors of your house and the door of the bathroom and all that, okay? These are the doors of international opportunities. Like opening doors and creating opportunities. This Ielts is going to create opportunities. That's why look at Ielts positively for tomorrow, as tomorrow you've got your test. Be very positive about Ielts examination system, about examiners and all that, because there are certain things which are beyond your control. There are certain things where you don't have the reach. Right? So it's better to be positive about all the things, and at times when you think positively, the positive things start to happen, and then there are the miracles that happen with you. Right guys? So you got your exam tomorrow and you got to do your exam very sharply, very actively. First of all, when the listening test starts, do not judge the test. Do not pass any judgment. The test is very difficult. The test is this, the test is there and all that. Do not pass any judgment. Just focus your performance. See, sometimes when you are focusing your performance, you don't see how much you have achieved. You don't see how much you have achieved, and you don't know how much you want to achieve. You are just achieving. That's it. That's what you guys need to do on 1st August when you are taking your IELTS test. Listening will start. It's going to be moderate. It's not going to be very difficult. As I said in my prediction video, there will be multiple choice questions. There will be sentence completion. There will be maps and all that stuff. But you got to do it all confidently. And you got to act very confidently during your exam. Work sharply, work smartly and all that during your listening test. The audios are going to be fine. You'll be having the headphones and you'll be able to hear everything clearly and you can write your answers and go on. 34, 35 correct answers, 8 band, 30 correct answers, 7 band, and 27, 28 correct answers, 6.5 band. So you're going to get your required band easily, I'm telling you. I trust you, okay? Next is reading. So just take a look at reading passage 1, alright. Reading passage 2, alright. Reading passage 3, very good. And then take a look at questions of section 1. So then start with the question type where you are very comfortable. Some people are very comfortable with true, false, not given, start with that. Some people are comfortable with sentence completion, start with that. Some people are comfortable with list of headings, start with that in that very section. And finish one section at one time. You can change the order of the questions, right? And follow my tips, my techniques. It's going to be okay for you. After that, when they give you, and again, do not pass any judgment. Do not give yourself a message while taking your reading test. Oh my God, I am dead. I can't do it. Right? Don't do it. Just do your test. Focus whether it is easy or difficult until your last breath. Means until the last second of that 1 hour that is going to decide your future. You got to stick to the test and you got to do it. Cut off from the outer environment and just focus the test and do your level best to do the test. That 1 hour is very, very important. Then there is writing. When they give you writing question paper, first take a look at section 2, essay. Writing task 2. Take a look at the essay. Aha, that's opinion essay. Or, oh, this is problem and solution essay. I know problem and solution essay. I know how to organize it. I know how to start the first paragraph. I know what to write in the body paragraphs and all that. Or if it is opinion essay, discussion essay, advantages, disadvantages, you are going to just read the topic and then just decide it's this type of essay. This is the main topic. This is the context in which I have to write about that topic and start thinking and then come to section 1. If your section 1 is a report, identify the type of graphic information, then you know the plan already: introduction, overview and body paragraph. There can be 2 body paragraphs or 1 body paragraph, and my videos are available, 23 videos are available on report writing. You can watch them, right? So this is how you guys can prepare for report writing, and try to write the report in 10 to 15 minutes so that you could spend more time on essay writing, and then there must be some time for proofreading. And for letter also, read the topic. Imagine, you know, sometimes when we imagine, last year when I was there, I had a lot of fun. So you got to read the topic and imagine. This, for example, if the topic says you lost your camera, right? So how you lost the camera, where was it, and what action you want them to take, and just start thinking, make a story. And the bullet points in letter writing must be covered in 3 separate short paragraphs. Understand? I repeated, the 3 bullet points which are given in letter writing, they must be covered in 3 short paragraphs separately, and they should be very good organization. Identify formal or informal. Informal. Now I'll use informal language. Formal. Oh, I will use formal greetings, formal beginning, formal ending and all that. This is how you guys can do it. And whenever you've got your speaking test, don't worry, my videos are readily available. They are going to help you out. Well guys, let me tell you, sometimes within the minutes, within the moments of our life, we determine what is going to happen to us, what is going to happen in our life, how the life is going to be. Within moments, this is going to be decided. Within minutes, this is going to be decided. Within hours, this is going to be decided. And those lucky hours are going to be tomorrow. Tomorrow you've got your IELTS test. It is going to continue for around 4 hours. I mean, there are some gaps, and total timing around 4 hours. These 4 hours will have detrimental effect on your future life. I mean, it's going to change your future altogether, or nothing will change. It's all up to you. So you need to work very hard, a new passion, right? Excitement, and you should have your own song going on inside when you go to take your IELTS test. You guys remember when you were small, you were at school and you had the school picnics? A night before school picnic, we used to be very excited that tomorrow we have a trip, tomorrow our school is going for picnic and we have this thing and that thing, and it was very difficult to sleep at night out of excitement. And the next morning when we had to go to school for picnic, that was, the mom said, Asad, and Asad woke up with a smile on his face. Yes, and at night even I was overjoyed whenever I used to have picnic the next day, that I would say, now I sleep and when I wake up, I'll go for picnic, because the sleeping time is the time when you don't need to wait for anything. It's just like you sleep and then you wake up. So this excitement is required to face the challenges of life. This excitement, this enthusiasm is needed to fight with the difficulties in life. And once you fight with the difficulties, once you overcome the challenges, there is always peace in life, there is always luxury in life, there is always well-being in life, and you need this peace, this luxury, this well-being for you, your family, your friends, and the people who are connected with you or who will be connected with you in the future. Thank you very much. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I run another channel, Asad Yaqub Vlogs. You can subscribe to that as well. Let me tell you, you guys are my soldiers and I am your commander, or I am your co-soldier as well. But I'm going to be proud of you. You got to do something that this pride continues, and I should say my students are those who are always getting their required bands, and I'm feeling really proud because of my students. And if you get great band score, do let me know about it, and I'm going to interview you, I'm going to appreciate you, and this is how we are going to go on. Thank you very much. Once again, after your exam, don't forget to send me a review message, whatever happens in the exam, about listening, the type of questions, the type of audios, about reading the title of the passages, and the type of questions, about writing task 1, task 2. Send me a detailed review with your name, city, country, test center, British Council, IDP, AEO, and all that. You got to send that to me and I'll make a video and dedicate that video to you. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. Take good care of yourselves and really all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.